My name's Sean Muldoon. I am the Regional Sales Manager for Frontier Precision's Western UAS Division. Today we're out in the Pacific Northwest putting the ALTA Gen2 to a test paired with YellowScan's Navigator and Voyager. Some of the higher end payloads that YellowScan manufactures cost upwards of $200,000 to $300,000. And we as a company, Frontier Precision, put all of our confidence into Freefly and the ALTA Gen2 to carry those payloads and deliver those to our customers. For data accuracy, alleviating noise, and also sensor longevity and health, vibrations play a major role in that. And the active blades on the ALTA Gen2 allows vibrations to be minimized and enhance the health and accuracy of the data that's coming out of it. Our company's trust with Freefly systems comes from their ability to produce a product that can be deployed in real-world environments. The ALTA Gen2 also has a downward-facing laser rangefinder that allows for confidence on return-to-home action and landing. The goal of everybody within industry who's adopting UAS is to solve problems, remove people from exposure, enhance safety, and see ROI on an investment. The YellowScan Navigator is a very unique tool that has come to industry over the past year that is allowing people in the bathymetry world to be able to capture topo data below water surface in a very safe environment. This scanner allows you to fly at high altitudes, 300 to 400 feet, and allows you to penetrate water with what's called a full wavelength green laser. Traditional LiDAR lasers are absorbed by water, whereas this will penetrate through the water column, grabbing the ground below that and giving a return off of it. As UAS adoption becomes more prevalent, people are viewing this technology not as a drone for marketing or just capturing imagery. These are becoming assets and tools within a toolbox or even infrastructure within an ecosystem. Looking into the future, where I see growth taking place again is the prioritization of NDA compliance, blue listed drones, and scaling of UAS programs. We see ourselves partnering with industry to support those programs and working with our manufacturers like Freefly Systems to provide the correct solutions for that to scale properly.